Welcome to the Crypto Global channel. Subscribe to the channel to find crypto investment opportunities.
This video is sponsored by LaunchZone.
What is Mars ecosystem? Mars ecosystem is a new decentralized stablecoin paradigm. Its goal is to propose a stablecoin system that can solve the positive externality problem and the integration problem, and has the characteristics of high price stability, high degree of decentralization, and high scalability. Mars ecosystem consists of three parts: Mars Treasury, Mars Stablecoin, and Mars DeFi protocols. It integrates the creation and use of stablecoin into the same system. The goal of Mars ecosystem is to build the central bank and reserve currency of the DeFi world. Mars ecosystem has the following unique innovations: Treasury assets classification mechanism, mintage control mechanism, anti-bank run mechanism. The integration of DeFi protocols and stablecoin into the same system. 1. Mars Treasury. The USD stablecoin of the Mars ecosystem is USD Mars, USDM, and the governance token is Mars Ecosystem Token, XMS. Source of Treasury assets. USDM is generated and destroyed through minting and redemption mechanisms. Users need to place their assets into Mars Treasury when minting USDM, and they will receive Mars Treasury assets when redeeming USDM. Treasury assets classification mechanism. The Treasury mechanism is not an invention of Mars ecosystem. The Treasury reserve of the Terra protocol is its governance token Luna. The Treasury reserve of the Frax protocol is USDC and its governance token FXS, and the Treasury reserve of the Fei protocol is ETH. But Mars ecosystem uses the Treasury assets classification mechanism for the first time. When minting USDM, users need to place $1 worth of Mars Treasury whitelist assets into the Mars Treasury. The whitelisted assets accepted by the Mars Treasury are divided into the following levels: stablecoin, digital gold, BTC, layer 1 leaders, ETH, BNB, etc. DeFi blue chips, Uni, AAVE, etc. Mars Ecosystem Token, XMS. The volatility of assets from level 1 to level 5 gradually increases. Mars Treasury determines the maximum acceptable proportion of various assets in the Treasury according to the volatility of various assets. The greater the volatility of the asset, the lower the maximum acceptable proportion in the Treasury. Use of Treasury assets. Mars Treasury assets have the following use cases: value support. Mars Treasury assets are the ultimate support for the value of USDM and XMS. Liquidity provision. Mars Treasury uses most of its assets to provide liquidity for USDM on MarsSwap to support the stability of USDM. Yield accrual. Idle assets of Mars Treasury can earn yield from the Mars ecosystem DeFi protocols or other external DeFi protocols. DeFi protocols governance. Mars ecosystem uses external DeFi protocols governance tokens in the Mars Treasury to participate in their governance to vote on proposals that are beneficial to the Mars ecosystem. Grants. Some assets are used to fund the development of protocols and apps that can promote the wide adoption and use of USDM. 2. Mars Ecosystem Governance Token XMS. The value capture model of Mars Ecosystem's governance token XMS includes the following ways: mintage control mechanism. The mintage control mechanism ensures that the market value of XMS is at least 2.5 times the circulating supply of USDM. If the market demand for USDM is 100 million, then the market value of XMS is at least 250 million United States dollars, otherwise, the circulating supply of USDM cannot reach 100 million. This value capture method is very efficient. At present, the supply of DAI of the Maker protocol is 4.8 billion, and the market value of its governance token MKR is 3.7 billion United States dollars. If the Maker protocol also uses the mintage control mechanism created by Mars ecosystem, the market value of the MKR corresponding to 4.8 billion DAI will reach 12 billion United States dollars, which is more than 3 times that of 3.7 billion United States dollars. Mars Treasury control rights value. XMS holders can control the Mars Treasury through protocol governance, which makes the market value of XMS at least twice the value of the assets in the Mars Treasury to prevent common 51% attacks. If the circulating supply of USDM in the market is 100 million, and correspondingly Mars Treasury has 100 million United States dollars assets, then the market value of XMS is at least 200 million United States dollars, otherwise, the Mars Treasury is at risk of being attacked. The transaction fees generated at the Mars DeFi protocols. When users trade on Mars DeFi protocols such as Mars Swap and Mars Stable Swap, they will be charged transaction fees, which are partly assigned to the liquidity provider and partly assigned to the protocol. The protocol assigns these fees to XMS stakers through repurchase and redistribution of XMS and other methods. 3. Tokenomics. Name: Mars Ecosystem Token. Ticker: XMS. Contract address: TBA. Chain: Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. Total supply: 1 billion. Token distribution. Vesting schedule: Investors, vesting monthly for 18 months, starting at Genesis launch. Team, vesting monthly for 36 months, starting at Genesis launch. 4. Audits. The contracts are being audited by Certa K and Slow Mist. The contracts will be launched after the audits are completed. 5. Investors. Mars Ecosystem has received investment from many well-known funds, public chains, and DeFi projects. We thank them for their trust and support to the Mars ecosystem. 6. Strategic partnership. MugglePay. Mars Ecosystem has reached a strategic partnership with MugglePay, the world's leading cryptocurrency C2B payment service provider. MugglePay is the world's leading cryptocurrency C2B payment service provider. MugglePay's partners include OKEx, CeeLo, and Algorand. MugglePay currently provides services to more than 7,000 merchants around the world, and its number of daily transactions has already reached twice that of BitPay. MugglePay will use Mars Swap of the Mars ecosystem to meet its stablecoin exchange needs, and gradually integrate the Mars ecosystem's stablecoin USDM into MugglePay's payment system to provide merchants with richer digital currency payment solutions. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to follow our next videos. Wish you success with the crypto market.